G28? Yeah. Oh, you're a dog, dude.
Where's he at? Where's your dad at?
He's there. He's the one way to the right.
Okay, now I got it kind of turned up. Woohoo! Good job, Rory! What size batteries in there? 39. Okay. Okay. Now, here's this. It's going east, right? Rory's trying to learn how to fly, dude. I thought that was Scotty, sorry. Remember, small movement. Only small movement. Keep it up. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Keep it up. Elevator. Bring it back. If you get too far away, you're going to lose it. Yeah, you want to keep it close to you. What's your name? Shawn. Shawn, you want to keep it close to you so you don't lose all your keys. Especially this time of night.
See, if you take and you hold this steady like this, make sure it's level, and you use this eyepiece to look to spot the plane, your right eye. Can you see it?
It's kind of hard.
See it yet?
Scotty, you might want to climb it.
No.
Right
It's
there.
kind of hard to see it.
Well, once look where it's at, and then point that. You can use your right eye, will work.
Harder.
Yeah, because move the camera so. Go ahead and just try to find it. No, try to use your right eye.
All right.
Okay, he's over there. You see it yet?
Oh, it's so hard.
Let's see.
I wasn't very good. I was never very good.
Just try to look before you look at it. Try to sight it from here first before you put your eye on
Oh,
it.
he's learning with animals.
Did you find it yet?
Good.
You see it? You got it, huh?
Okay.
Okay, it's over here now. Down.
Oh, almost saw it. I'm seeing it.
Oh yeah. Try to follow it. Try to keep it in the middle of the picture. You got it? Huh?
I got it for a few seconds, but then everything went all black and sorts.
Yeah, because you're not keeping
Keeping it leveled?
keeping it level, keeping your eye in it though, like regular binoculars. But we got your dad on